Viewers, in this video, I will share 3 updates. First update is about Afar regional militias and Ethiopian National Defense Force units who are being deployed to the east of Mekelle. Your second update is about the capturing of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers and anti-aircraft cannon by Tigray Defense Force. Third and last update is about the Ethiopian ministers who are officially acknowledging atrocities and rapes in Tigray region. Viewers, now let's move to the first update. As per reports, Afar regional militia and Ethiopian army units are being deployed to the east of Mekelle. As per detail, Afar militias and Ethiopian army is being deployed to Abala, located in the east of Mekelle. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar militias can move towards A2 highway, as the Ethiopian high-rank military officer had issued a statement who wants to take fight back in Mekelle. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force Lieutenant General Abiba Tedesse issued a statement 2 days earlier in which he said Tigray Defense Force want to destroy Ethiopia, but we will take this fight to Mekelle, Tigray region. Ethiopian army will try to block supplies of Tigray Defense Force on A2 highway. Viewers, now let's move to the second update. As you know, peace fighting was underway between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force backed by Amhara's forces at Gondar and Ibnath front. Tigray Defense Force supporters are claiming that Tigray Defense Force has defeated Ethiopian National Defense Force and allies on the Gondar front. As per reports, Tigray Defense Force has captured heavy weapons of Ethiopian National Defense Force, which Ethiopian army was using against Tigray Defense Force. Here's pictures of tanks, vehicles, anti-aircraft cannon and other weapons were also shared by Tigray Defense Force, which you can see on your screens. Besides this, Tigray Defense Force claimed that they have captured many Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. Pictures of captive Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers were also shared by Tigray Defense Force. As per latest reports, still large number of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers and Amhara's soldiers are present in Gondar and Ibnath. Viewers, Eritrean Defense Force soldiers are also backing Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers at Gondar front. Tigray Defense Force have also deployed 1,000 new soldiers to Gondar front. Viewers, now let's move to the third update. Ethiopia's Women's Minister, the first federal official to acknowledge rape had taken place during the Tigray war, announced her resignation. Viewers, Filsan Abdullahi Ahmad, Ethiopian minister, said any situation that compromise my ethics is contrary to my convictions and values, and betraying those beliefs is a breach of trust to myself and our citizens. For reasons of a personal nature that weigh heavily on my conscience, I regretfully submit my letter of resignation effective immediately. Yours Filson said rape had, without a doubt, taken place during the 10-month-old war in the north region of Tigray between government forces and Tigray Defense Force. Last month, she said the task force's report had been sent to the Attorney General and that it was up to law enforcement officials to determine the scale of the crimes and who was responsible. Viewers, her resignation comes 1 week before Abe, whose Prosperity Party scored a landslide victory in national election earlier this year, is set to name a new government. Viewers, these were 3 updates. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.